Hey everyone, I am Prakshi Mandiratta back again with the lecture of idioms. So without wasting any time, let's dive into it. The very first one, better late than never. Meaning, better to arrive late than not to come at all. कुछ तो सही है ना पहुंचने से better ही है. For example, we know that many difficulties there are, but it's better late than never. It's been a long time coming, but better late than never. Next we have cutting corners. Means doing something poorly to save time or money. जब हम अपने खर्चे कम करते हैं so that we can save our time as well as both money. Example, the new system can never be speeded up without cutting corners. Do you really think cutting corners is the best way to go this time? Next we have make a long story short. Indicates that you are providing just the basic facts. For example, to make a long story short, I had a wonderful time during the summer. To cut a long story short, he ended up as managing director. No pain, no gain. Means you have to work for what you want. बिना किसी pain के आपको कुछ नहीं मिल सकता. For example, he ran 20 miles yesterday as a part of his training for the marathon. No pain, no gain. The saying no pain, no gain is the key to success and inspires me to work harder. Now we have to make matters worse. बदतर कर देना चीज़ों को. To make the situations even more unpleasant. Example, to make the matters worse, my brother then lost his keys. To make matters worse, the weather had become stormy. Let's have a look on another one. Under the weather. When you feel slightly unwell or in low spirits, जब आप ठीक अच्छा महसूस नहीं करते. For example, Millie looked a little under the weather when I saw her. My father was under the weather last week, but fine now. Now we have don't cry over spilt milk. Means अब क्या पछताना जब चिड़िया चुग गई खेत. For example, we usually cry over spilled milk when we should be thinking about our future. Yes, we made a mistake, but there is no point in crying over spilled milk. The last one we have is a penny saved is a penny earned. Means the money you save today you can spend later in your life. For example, he tries to do all the work himself and says a penny saved is a penny earned. I would advise everyone to keep aside some money, as it is said a penny saved is a penny earned. So guys, the more English idioms you learn, the more fluent you will become. To be sure, so master these idioms.